In this video, I'm demonstrating a super impressive GeoGebra stats file created by Robert Upitis. Robert is a past participant in the GeoGebra-Proficiency course. As course facilitator, I've seen thousands of files created by participants, but never anything like this one. In this demonstration, we'll explore how the spreadsheet and the graphics display interact. So as you can see here, column B is the frequency and the score 0 has a frequency of 1. When we flip the frequency of score 0 between 1 and 11, the change is reflected in both the histogram and the bax-and-Whisker. Now let's manipulate the frequency of score 10 and see what effect that has. So this is a truly conceptual file. The obvious thing to do with any file designed to bring about conceptual understanding in students is to ask them to explain what's happening. Why are the graphs responding in these ways with the changes to column B? But wait, there's more. Let's click the Show Mean and Standard Deviation box. Now we can see that the mean is 5 and we have a standard deviation of approximately 2, but when we check the algebra window we can see the standard deviation is 2.26. By making some radical adjustments to the frequencies, we can see the effect on mean and standard deviation. Again, ask students to explain what's happening. But check out these frequency sliders. By the way, there's no such thing in the GeoGebra app as a frequency slider. Robert simply thought to create them up. And so here's an example of what happens when a teacher becomes proficient with GeoGebra. Their creativity gets pushed through the files they create. And I wish every maths teacher could experience what it's like to be able to express their creativity when creating GeoGebra files. Anyway, the frequency sliders make it easy for students to manipulate the frequencies. So yes, ideally this file would be in the hands of students to explore. The sliders allow students to push these graphs to the edge to really get a feel for what's going on. So, if you'd like to become skilled enough to develop files like this one, and to be able to push your creativity through the files you create, then enroll in the GeoGebra Proficiency course. Check out the links below, and thanks for watching.